Alright, so in today's video we are going to be just basically giving my car an intro. So it is a 2013 BRZ. I bought it used a few months ago. Back in December is when I got it. So I've had it for a bit and I'm loving it ever since. We're just going to go over the exterior a little bit. And so this is basically going to be an intro of my 2013 BRZ. I just got it a few months back and I'm loving it. It's awesome. It's one of the best cars for the money. As you can see, it's pretty stock. The previous owner didn't do much. He's still got the stock wheels on it. Still has the orange side markers, which need to change. But in the rear of the car is where he added the most things. As you can see, he added a rear spoiler. It's just a lip spoiler. It's a carbon spoiler. So that's a nice little feature. The last thing that he added to this car was a Borla axle back exhaust. So that's nice. I didn't have to buy an exhaust, at least for now. I would eventually like to upgrade to a full exhaust system, but that also costs some money. Also, another thing that he put on was a little paint protection film on the front of the car. It does have a couple bubbles in it, just because I don't know if over time it just sort of popped up some bubbles or just bad application. But one more thing that the owner had added on the rear of the car was some Valenti taillights. They are not the sequential ones, however. It's very unfortunate. Probably will upgrade them soon, maybe. Who knows? And the red pinstriping on the front of the car and the back of the car, I did myself just a couple weeks ago. It wasn't that hard. I just bought some vinyl from Amazon and just did some pinstriping on that. So that was a nice little upgrade. Didn't cost me much. It cost me like $11 for that vinyl, and I haven't even used all of it. So it's holding up pretty well, and I would give it a solid review. Alright, so now that we've done the exterior, let's just head on into the interior. Before we do that though, I'm going to pop the trunk and we'll go back here. He added one thing in the trunk. It is a all-weather liner for the trunk. It's really nice. It's a Subaru. I just like it. It's very heavy duty material, so that's nice. Nice little addition. Alright, so now that we're in here, the interior when I got it was just stock. I mean, all the parts that you see that are wrapped in black that are normally the gray color like this, I wrapped myself. So all this black, the red trim, those as well, the black handles, and my red here and black here, I all did myself. I also made a video on that. It was my first video back in YouTube in a while, so if you guys want to go check that out and give me some feedback on it, I would greatly appreciate it. One more thing, when I bought this car, it didn't come with any floor mats, so I went and got WeatherTech all-weather floor mats. So those are nice. They're very easy to wash, and I would highly recommend them. And another thing, with my 2013 BRZ, it is a limited model, so we do have the automatic climate control, we got the dual climate control, we got the push to start, and we got the seat warmers. So yeah, so that's a nice addition. You don't really need it in this car, obviously, because it's not really meant to be a luxury car at all. It's pretty bare bones, but the seat warmers are nice, especially right now in the winter. They are always useful. And then the dual climate control is great because me and my girlfriend are definitely different on the heat, and she always turns hers up really high, and I like mine about at 65. Alright, so I think that about does it for the intro of my BRZ. So if you guys would like to see more videos, there will be some coming out shortly. If you have any comments or ways that I could improve on videos and stuff like that, feel free to comment down below. Drop a like if you want to be generous, and subscribe as always. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.